Hello guys, I got this from my Amazon mailbox yesterday, and let's open it to see our reaction. A magic pencil formed. Why is this thing not opening? I can't even open it. I can't even open it. A sword. Let's see how this goes. I'm the chosen one. Look what we have. This is what I ordered. And what we have is this. This is what I ordered. And let's see what I have. Guys, look. Okay, and there's something that, what is going on here? Like, okay, and these are like relatable. What the heck? This is jammed inside of it. This is jammed. Look, they actually work. They actually work. Ooh. They actually work. Look, guys. These are ooh, it's made in China. It's an Asian. Look, guys. It's made in Ding Dong, China. You see it? It's made in Ding Dong, China. Thank you, Chinese, for making these for me. I'm not actually sponsoring them. I'm just like showing you like. But now, remember the thing that got jammed? Well, it's getting fixed, and let me. Here's the nice smell you can smell, but look. Oh, we can try that. Yeah, you can even like, what you can do with this, let me tell you about these. So they're called Awsd fidget toys, and they're called Awsd keyboard fidget toys, and they actually do work good. And yep, they're really fun to play with. So I recommend you going on Amazon and buying this, because this is actually kind of fun if you have autism. That's what I highly recommend, and you can just play it multiple ways. Anyways, I want to say bye, guys. Bye.